Implementation of a learning management system for delivering hands-on online professional development to teachers. The old school way of training teachers will not work under the COVID situation, so a new approach is urgently needed as it is hands-on online training. The 8 steps will describe how the new training approach would be planned for immediate implementation. Planning your technology initiatives. Here we go. In order to initiate the technology plannings, it is important to have the overall expectations for technology in the organization, access the acquisition, deployment, and availability of technology to intended users or audience, the methods and strategies for ensuring that technology is implemented appropriately and meets user needs and organizational vision. Determining the technology needs. A survey will be consulted, but it will not be exactly about an LMS, but about what the teachers did last semester and what they need to do the next semester. That is more like what problems must be solved, because out of their answers, the training would be designed. Also, what they think a new technology should help them to achieve. Selecting the technology solution. In order to select a technology, we do have to make sure the technology solution selected fills the gap between what is needed and what is already available. Some questions to keep in mind is, will the benefit be worth the cost to the organization? And how much is the solution going to cost? Now, to implement the technology needs, what will be done has to be discussed, and where, by whom, and when. Basically, it is short-term and long-term goals, the milestones, timelines, division of responsibility, and resources. To safeguard the technology, a contingency plan has to be created. Also, increase staff awareness of security issues and communicate to the staff that protecting the system is not only in the organizational interest, but also in their best interest. To maintain and support the technology, a technology oversight committee will be appointed to oversee system use, maintenance, and ongoing improvements. Also, a diagnostic and repair resource will be available. Training for the technology. Teachers will need training on the various types of applications and resources available for their classroom management and instructional tasks. Measures will be taken to ensure that instructional software used is specifically designed for integration into classroom curriculum. Lastly, integrating the technology. Technical assistance and support to launch the software for the task has to be at hand. Administrative support is needed to help teachers in their goals. Basically, having support. Thank you so much for watching my video. These are some references that I used to come up with the whole video. Don't be afraid to check them out. Thank you.